Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tesla Model 3/Y energy consumption insights step by step clearly. Visit the Tesla website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage section of your account dashboard. Locate your vehicle listed under the My Vehicles tab. In the Vehicle Details, find the Energy section. Look for the option labeled Energy Consumption Insights or a similar phrase. Toggle the subscription option to enable it. Review any terms or agreements presented on the screen. Once you agree to the terms, confirm your subscription. The system may prompt you for payment details if there is a cost associated with the subscription. Enter any required payment information if necessary. After completing the payment process, return to the dashboard. You should now see a confirmation that your subscription is active. To view your energy consumption insights, access the Tesla mobile app. Open the app and select your Model 3 or Model Y. Navigate to the Energy tab within the app. Here, you'll find detailed insights into your vehicle's energy consumption. Enjoy exploring your Tesla's energy usage and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.